Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes of Iqra Huffaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System of Pakistan. This video session is for English text for class 7 and this is lecture number 3. My dear students, I hope you all are fine and must be having good time. Today we will do the reading comprehension and post-reading exercises. Reading comprehension has 5 exercises from exercise 3 to exercise 7. And out of these 5 exercises, only exercise number 4, true or false, will not be done in the notebook. And the remaining exercise 3, 5, 6 and 7 will be done in the notebook. So my dear students, take out your English book 7 and open page number 7. Here it is. On page number 3, you will see exercise number 3. Use at least 5 words from the words column above in your own sentences. Write these sentences in your notebook. You will find words column on page number 6. Here, there is a words column on page number 6 and you have to use these words in your own sentences. But for your convenience, I have made 2 sentences on board. Now look at the board. Exercise 3, make sentences, page number 7. You have to make the column in your notebook like this. The first word is enthusiastic and the exemplary sentence is Ali was an enthusiastic person. Ali was an enthusiastic boy. The second word is social campaign and the exemplary sentence is I will take part in the social campaign. I will take part in the social campaign. These are the exemplary sentences. Now my dear students, you have to use the remaining words in your own sentences and write these sentences in your notebook. After this, we have exercise 4 on page number 7. Read the instructions into your book for exercise 4. Read the text and tick the following sentences if they are true and put a cross if they are false. Now I will do 3 statements for you on the board and you will do the remaining yourself. Okay? The first one is Ali did not want to go to school and meet everyone. Ali school नहीं जाना चाहता था और सबसे नहीं मिलना चाहता था. That is incorrect. It's a false statement. So we have to mark cross in the false column. Okay? The second statement is he liked science and social studies. He liked science and social studies. It's absolutely true. So we mark tick in the true column. The last statement is, third one is Ali sat beside the driver uncle in the van. Ali sat beside the driver uncle in the van. It's false. Ali sat beside Salim, his best friend, in the van. So it's incorrect. It's false. So we mark cross in the false column. Now, my dear students, you have to do the remaining statements yourself in the book. All right? Now, turn the page for exercise 5 and read the instructions for exercise 5. After you have done the above exercise, discuss your answers with your partner, then correct all the false statements and write them in your notebook. ठीक है? We did exercise 4, true or false. It has 10 sentences. Some of them are correct and some of them are incorrect. So we have to pick incorrect sentences and make them correct and then write those sentences into the notebook. All right? I have solved 2 for you. ठीक है? We did 3 sentences and out of 3 sentences 2 were incorrect. The statement number 1 was incorrect and statement number 3 was incorrect. ठीक है? तो we have to make these statements correct and write into the notebook. What was the statement? Ali did not want to go to school and meet friend. It was incorrect sentence. So what is the correct sentence? This one is Ali wanted to go to school and meet everyone. The third one was Ali sat beside the driver uncle in the van. It was incorrect sentence. What is the correct sentence? Ali sat beside his best friend Salim. Ali sat beside his best friend Salim. All right. Now you have to find some more incorrect sentences, false statements, and make them correct and write into your notebook. Now we are starting exercise 6. So please look into your book and read the instructions. These are the instructions for exercise 6. Discuss the reasons for the following statement with your partner. After you have discussed, write all the completed sentences in your notebook. Okay. Now my dear students, look at the board. Okay. So exercise 6 on page number 8. What we have to do in this exercise, करना क्या है इस एक्सरसाइज में? चैप्टर में हमें रीजंस लिखने हैं हमें इसके. जैसे किस चीज़ के रीजंस लिखने हैं? द फर्स्ट वन इज अली एक्साइटेडली गॉट रेडी फॉर स्कूल. अली स्कूल जाने के लिए पुरजोश तरीके से तैयार हो गया. क्यों? इसलिए बिकॉज ही वॉन्टेड टू मीट ऑल हिज टीचर्स एंड क्लासमेट्स. क्योंकि वो अपने टीचर्स और क्लासमेट से मिलना चाहता था. दैट्स वाई ही एक्साइटेडली गॉट रेडी फॉर स्कूल. वो स्कूल जाने के लिए तैयार हो गया. दिस इज द रीजन एंड यू हैव टू डू द सेम. आप इसी तरीके से काम करेंगे. ब्लू पेन से आप स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे और ब्लैक से आप रीजन लिखेंगे. द सेकेंड वन इज अली वॉन्टेड टू अटेंड द साइंस क्लास बिकॉज अली साइंस क्लास अटेंड करना चाहता था. पर इसका रीजन क्या था? वॉट वॉज द रीजन? द रीजन इज ही इंजॉयड डूइंग एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ड्यूरिंग द साइंस लेसन्स. वो एक्सपेरिमेंट करना उसको अच्छा लगता था, मज़ा आता था एक्सपेरिमेंट करने में, इसलिए साइंस लेसन को वो अटेंड करना चाहता था. ओके, द थर्ड वन इज अली सैट नेक्स्ट टू सलीम. अली सलीम के साथ बैठा वैन में. कहीं और भी तो बैठ सकता था, तो क्यों सलीम के साथ बैठा? द रीज़न इज बिकॉज ही वॉज हिज बेस्ट फ्रेंड. क्योंकि वो उसका अच्छा दोस्त था, बेस्ट फ्रेंड था, सबसे अच्छा दोस्त था. ओके, सो आई हैव डन 3 फॉर यू एंड यू हैव टू रीड and complete the remaining yourself in your notebook. All right? Now, my dear students, we are doing the last exercise of reading comprehension, that is questions, answers. You have to read the questions from the book and write them into your notebooks, and read the answers from the board and write them into your notebook. ठीक है, आपने क्वेश्चंस को अपनी बुक से पढ़ना है और उसके बाद अपनी कॉपी में लिखना है, और आंसर्स आप बोर्ड से देखेंगे, समझेंगे, और उसके बाद फिर आप उसको अपनी नोटबुक में लिखेंगे. ऑल राइट, सो टेक आउट योर बुक्स एंड रीड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The first question is, did Ali enjoy his social studies class? 5. क्या अली अपनी सोशल स्टडीज की क्लास को एंजॉय करता था? करता था तो क्यों करता था? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. राइट द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द बुक and look at the board for the answer. Answer number 1 is A. Ali enjoyed his social studies class because his social studies teacher got them involved in different social campaigns. Yes, Ali enjoyed his social studies class because his social studies teacher got them involved in different social campaigns. अली सोशल स्टडीज़ की क्लास को इसलिए एंजॉय करता था कि उनकी सोशल स्टडीज़ की टीचर उनको डिफरेंट समाजी सरगर्मियों में इन्वॉल्व रखती थी, शामिल रखती थी. ओके, नाउ रीड द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द बुक. द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, why do you think Miss Sana showed the posters on pollution to the class? This is question number 2. Why do you think Miss Sana showed the posters on pollution to the class? Now look at the board for the answer. Miss Sana showed the posters on pollution to the class because she wanted the students to start a discussion on pollution in the class. Miss Sana showed the posters on pollution to the class because she wanted the students to start a discussion on pollution in the class. मिस सना ने क्लास में बच्चों को पॉल्यूशन पे पोस्टर्स क्यों दिखाए थे? मिस सना ने क्लास में बच्चों को पॉल्यूशन पे पोस्टर्स इसलिए दिखाए थे क्योंकि वो चाहती थी कि बच्चे क्लास में पॉल्यूशन पे डिस्कशन शुरू कर दें, बातचीत करना शुरू कर दें, कुछ अपने व्यूज़ शेयर करें, कुछ अपने आइडियाज़ शेयर करें. इस वजह से उन्होंने बच्चों को पोस्टर्स दिखाए थे. Now read question number 3 from the book. Question 3 is, had the students done anything to stop pollution when Miss Sana asked them? had the students done anything to stop pollution when Miss Sana asked them? Now look at the board for the answer. क्या मिस सना के क्वेश्चन करने से पहले बच्चों ने पॉल्यूशन को स्टॉप करने के लिए कुछ किया था? The answer is no. The students had not done anything to stop pollution when Miss Sana asked them. No, the students had not done anything to stop pollution when Miss Sana asked them. नहीं, बच्चों ने मिस सना के क्वेश्चन करने से पहले पॉल्यूशन को स्टॉप करने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं किया था. जब उन्होंने पूछा, फिर बच्चों ने डिस्कशन किया, तो फिर उनको ख्याल आया. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4 is, what did Ali and his group members do to fight against pollution? What did Ali and his group members do to fight against pollution? Now look at the board for answer. तो अली और उसके ग्रुप मेंबर्स ने क्या किया टू फाइट अगेंस्ट पॉल्यूशन? पॉल्यूशन के खिलाफ उन्होंने पॉल्यूशन के खिलाफ क्या काम किया उन्होंने? तो द आंसर इज अली एंड हिज ग्रुप मेंबर्स अरेंज्ड अ होल डेज कैंपेनिंग प्रोग्राम अगेंस्ट पॉल्यूशन फॉर द नेबरहुड पीपल. अली and his group members arranged a whole day's campaigning program against pollution for the neighborhood people. अली और उसके दोस्तों ने एक कैंपेनिंग प्रोग्राम अरेंज किया पॉल्यूशन के खिलाफ, जिसमें उन्होंने आसपास के लोगों को दावत दी ताकि उनमें अवेयरनेस पैदा हो सके. And the last question is, what do you think happened after the day program? What do you think happened the day after the program? So the question is, what do you think happened the day after the program? Program खत्म होने के बाद क्या हुआ, आपको क्या लगता है? So my dear students, you have to write the answer to this question yourself. इस सवाल का जवाब आपने खुद से लिखना है. That is your homework. Okay? Now take out your diary and note down the homework. Do exercise 3, 5, 6 and 7 into the notebook and write the answer of question number 5 into the notebook. Exercise 3, 4, 3, 5, 6 और 7 नोटबुक में करना है और जो आंसर नंबर 5 है वो आपने खुद से करना है. Okay, my dear students, we will meet inshallah next class. Till then, take good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.